First I am taking some white A4 paper. Now I will make those A4 size paper into a square size with the help of a scale. Now I am taking a pen from which I just take out the refill because I only need the refill. Now I am using this refill to roll the paper like this. Let's attach this with glue. This is ready. I need 3 more like this to make the shape I wanted to make. Now you can get the idea about the shape I am making. Let's attach those like this. Okay, now the shape is complete. This is egg tray. Now I will cut out the portion that I need for my work. Let's finish this cleanly. I hope you understand what portion I cut from the egg tray. Here it is. I have taken 12 pieces of this, as you can see. Now I will cut those like this to make flower with the help of a scissors. I think you clearly get the idea of cutting. Now all the cutting have been done, as you can see. Now it's time for painting, for which I am using acrylic color or fabric color, whatever you can say. This is light green color and it is done. Let's paint the flowers. Okay, the color of 2 flowers will be same. I mean to say I am using 6 color and I have 12 flowers, so 6 2s are 12. This is red color. This is dark blue color. And this is yellow color. Now I am using orange. This is dark pink. You might have been thinking that again I am using red, but no, this is dark pink. Due to lack of brightness, it seems like red. Okay, now this is purple, which is not very dark. So all the flowers have been painted. Now let's attach the flowers on the shape. Now I am using some stickers which you can get from any stationery shops. done at last.